নমস্কাৰ সকলোকে মই জয়শ্ৰী বৰা দুলিয়াজান আলবেলা ৱাচ আজি মই আপোনালোকক Oppo Reno 15 সিৰিজৰ 8টা বেষ্ট কি পইণ্ট ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ নাম্বাৰ 1 6.32 ইঞ্চ segment best compact size phone better one-hand usability with comfortable grip and easy to pocket fit Number 2 Reno's first flagship grade 200MP main camera 200MP delivers sharper details and better zoom and crop flexibility for printout posters of your photos Number 3 best in class 3.5x telephoto lens for protect gives DSLR like bokeh and depth effect in photos in daylight Number 4 class exclusive 120x telescope zoom delivers clear text and sharp distance object capture Number 5 class exclusive video recording all focal length 4K 60fps HDR with ultra steady offer consistent HDR with vibrant colors easy front to rear camera switching up to 18x video zoom for effortless blogging Number 6 the industry's widest ultra wide lens with 100-degree FOV fits the whole group in a single frame without cutting anyone out Number 7 industry's MediaTek Dimensity 8450 Reno 15 Pro Mini outperforms Vivo with a higher benchmark score 20 lakhs plus vs 70 lakhs plus ensuring smoother multitasking Number 8 camera AI features industry's exclusive AI pop-out and AI protect glow Reno 15 Pro Mini offers long-term AI features like creative pop-out collages and AI protect glow that stay clear any lightning Reno 15 সিৰিজৰ বিষয়ে আৰু অধিক জানিবলৈ আৰু এই ফোনটো ক্ৰয় কৰিবলৈ আপোনালোকে আহিব দুলিয়াজান আলবেলা ৱাচ ধন্যবাদ